Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The home pizza oven category is hot these days, and Solo Stove is giving consumers options. For those already owning a Solo Stove fire pit, there's the Pi Fire. It sits on top, creating an intense pizza oven. Then there's the Pi Pizza Oven, a standalone with a gas burner option. Product Marketing Manager Ty Hancock.
Just like you would see in Italian ovens of 200-300 years ago, and even today, our pizza oven has a domed interior roof. And what that allows the oven to do is trap a hot pocket of air above the toppings.
The results? Delicious. There's also a very sturdy pie stand with useful shelves and caster wheels. Like everything Solo Stove makes, the oven and stand are well made. We're talking steel here with lifetime warranties.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.